When mounting your TV to the wall, you want everything to go just right. Kanto TV mounts are designed and packaged in a way that ensures you have a great do-it-yourself mounting experience. Take our PDX 680 for example. Opening the box shows you a nice, clean, uncluttered layout. A quick visual inspection reveals everything is in place for you. All the hardware is placed in a labeled bolt box, making it easy to find the right hardware for the job. The provided wall template shows you exactly where to mark your holes, and a handy dust collector helps keep your floor clean while drilling. Many of our mounts also feature cable management and magnetic bolt covers to give your setup a clean, finished look. Our manual and installation videos are designed to help guide you through every step of the installation from beginning to end. And if you ever need additional help, our dedicated customer support team will be more than happy to answer any questions. To learn more about mounting your TV, subscribe to Kanto's YouTube page below and like this video. Thanks for watching.